Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to run a backup and restore by using Windows File History to recover deleted files. So Windows File History is a feature that comes with Windows 10. All Windows 10 have these features. These features allow you to restore a files that has been modified. Just say that you make changes to a file today, but you change your mind and you want to restore the contents like 3 days ago. So with Windows File History, you can do that. You can go back to that day. So let's get started by turning it on. So what you need to do is, let me go back to the beginning here. You want to click on this Windows icon and then Settings. Under Setting, there's Updates and Security, and then you want to click on Backup. I'm going to add a drive. So on my computer, I have an E drive. You can, if you have a USB or a second drive, you can choose it to back up your data. Oops, let's see where it goes. Let's click on Add a drive again. I'm going to choose the E drive as a backup. As soon as you click on that E drive, it's automatically backup files. Let's click on More Options. So under backup options, you can run a backup now. Look like your data has not yet backed up. I'm going to run a backup now. And backup my file, so it's going to run every hour, or you can change it to daily, 15 minutes, whatever you want. Keep my files backup forever. You can keep it forever, or you can do keep it for 1 year, 2 years. I'm going to leave it forever or until space is needed. So if you run out of space, you want to do it until space is needed. Back up these folders. So it's going to back up all these folders for me under downloads, under favorites, contacts, OneDrive, desktops. So all these folders. Exclude these folders. So if you want to exclude certain folders, you can add that here. Back up to a different drive. If you want to change your mind and you don't want to put it on the E drive or your USB drive anymore, you can stop using this drive and initiate configure the backup again and choose the right drive that you want to back up. Once it back up, you can do a restore by click on restore file from current backup. If you do that, it takes you to all the files being backed up. Today's date is May 26th. These are all the files being backed up today. And you can see here previous version and the next versions. Just say if it ran the backup yesterday, I can click on previous version. It would go back to May 26th. And if I have another backup which is May 27, I just click forward and it goes back to May 27th. So all you have to do is just look for the files you want to restore. I don't have much here. So this is a brand new computer. I don't have a lot of stuff on here. Here's the files. Preview. So that's it. That's the how you using Windows file history to recover deleted files or files that have been changed recently. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.